Okay, I'm using the online GTB, alright, and I've already set my language to C, and already I've keyed in our code, alright, which is on our chapter 2 second set of codes. Okay, so over here you will realize that I have declared some long integer, okay, variable, right? And you can see the value there from few hundred, okay, 600 to 6 over million, 3 over million. All right, so you can see all the different value, okay, and I'm going to print it out using all this. Okay, so in order to print long integer, I use the li, and I create space for it. All right, so right now it doesn't look like much. Okay, so just let me run this first. So I'm just gonna run this, and you will see the output here, all right, down here. And what you will notice is that for the short number like 643, there's actually some spaces in front of it. See that there is some empty spaces in front of it, and that's the reason is because I've allocated 6 space for it. All right, so it's actually aligned to the right. Okay, and the same actually occur to all numbers. All right, 6 spaces is allocated for it. So the east view uses all 6. You will see that, so it fill up everything, right? But what about Gotham? Right, Gotham basically has 7 value. It does not truncate. Okay, so C++ is smart enough that although I only allocate 6 spaces for it, but because I use more than 6, right, it will not actually cut off your value. Right, so it will just display, but probably you will have some alignment problem. That is all. All right, so this is how we handle allocating of space for integer, particularly for long integer.